Hey guys, Jason here with ResShop, and today we are going to be looking at the SoClean 2. So what we're gonna first do is take a look at a little bit of the features on the SoClean 2. If you see here first, we're looking at the filter. This is gonna be the filter that's gonna siphon out the ozone gas once the machine is done disinfecting. Here on the two sides, as you see, are two clips to seal the chamber. What we're gonna do is first grab our mask, put it in the chamber, and follow it up with putting the tube in there as well. Once in, you're gonna seal the chamber and make sure it is closed. Now it is time to attach the hose to the humidifier. In this video today, we're gonna be assessing the AirSense 10 auto set humidifier chamber. So what you're gonna first wanna do is split it in half. With the adapter here that you have for SoClean, it's gonna have that hose. You're gonna gently take it off the hinges, put it on, and then slide it back into its rightful place. Once attached, you can put the hose onto the little tube on top and you'll be good to go. Now we're taking a look at the display screen. We've got a few options here you can change. You can put your machine actually on a timer so it will clean every day at a specific time. You see the clock button here. You can adjust the time. You can also adjust the time that it disinfects, anywhere from 1 to 12 minutes. Generally speaking, we do manual because we clean our stuff here periodically rather than daily. But as soon as you do find the right time, you're gonna press that manual button and the machine's gonna fire up. Keep in mind that it does only take 12 minutes to disinfect your mask and tube. However, you're gonna wanna wait about 2 hours for the filter to efficiently disperse of the ozone gas. Hey guys, thanks for watching. That's all we have for today. If you found this video helpful, please press that like and subscribe button. Also, if you have any questions or future video ideas, be sure to make a comment below and we'll be sure to address it.